Understanding Fortnite storage requirements.
Hello everyone! Today we're diving into a topic that's particularly important for gamers looking to install Fortnite on their PC, the storage size requirement. Knowing this is crucial to ensuring your system is ready to handle the game, avoiding potential hiccups during the installation process.
What is Fortnite?
To begin, Fortnite is a popular online video game developed by Epic Games. It is especially known for its Battle Royale mode, where 100 players fight against each other to be the last person standing. Fortnite is a dynamic game, with regular updates and patches, which can affect its size over time.
What is the current storage requirement for Fortnite on PC?
As of July 2023, the required storage size for Fortnite on PC is approximately 90 gigabytes. However, it's important to note that this number can change as new updates and features are added to the game. Therefore, it's always a good idea to have some extra storage space available for these potential updates. A good rule of thumb is to keep at least 10% of your total storage free for system use and updates.
Why does Fortnite require so much space?
The storage requirement for Fortnite isn't arbitrary. The game's complex graphics, dynamic environments, and the constant updates all contribute to its size. Fortnite has many elements, from maps to skins to emotes, and these all need space. Furthermore, the regular patches and updates keep the game fresh and bug-free, but can also add to the total storage size requirement. In conclusion, while the storage size requirement for Fortnite can seem large, it's necessary to support the game's vast and dynamic content. Ensure your PC has at least 90 gigabytes available for a smooth Fortnite experience, and remember to keep some additional space for future updates. We hope this information helps you in your gaming endeavors. Happy gaming!